guys, what's up? Welcome back to Modern Swahili, and today we'll be making a beautiful coconut curry split pea recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. 2 cups of the yellow split peas, put them in some water in a pot, rinse them out, and then put them on the stove and let them cook for a few minutes until they're completely dry. Our chickpeas have dried up, and now we're going to put that aside and get into the frying of the other ingredients. Let's add in our oil and then throw in the onions. Once our onions start turning brown, we're going to stir that all up together and then throw in our tomatoes and stir that also in together. We let that simmer for a few minutes, then add in the 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Mix that all up. Let's grab our 1 tablespoon of garlic, throw that in, our tandoori masala, our turmeric, the curry powder, and our beautiful chili powder. Let's go ahead and stir everything up together. Pour in the 2 cups of the coconut milk. You want to go ahead and stir everything together and grab in 1.5 cup of water and pour that into the mixture. Let that simmer for a bit. Let's grab our split peas and add the split peas in. Stir it around. Let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes and then take a lid and just cover the yellow split peas and then let cook for another 10 minutes. Then you want to go ahead and take a spoon and just press the split peas just to see if they're soft enough. If they're not soft enough, you can continue cooking for another 10 minutes. And always keep stirring, guys. You don't want the split peas to stick to the bottom of the pan. Once chickpeas are soft, let's add in the coriander and let it simmer for another 10 minutes. Once you're happy with the consistency of the split peas, you're going to be ready to serve your beautiful curry split peas, and these guys are amazing. They're really amazing. You can have them with some chapati or some mahamri or even some rice. It's gonna taste amazing either way. So I hope you like the recipe. Please try it out. Let me know how it goes and subscribe to my channel.